Happy Saturday. I'm vlogging, but I like this song, so I'm not shutting the radio off while I vlog. Because I want to listen to the song, but I still want to vlog. So I'm going to go pick up my motorcycle. And got Kim taking me over there. Alright, so I just stopped and got some cash. And Sideshow's shop is just down the street from us, not too far. And I think Kim and I might go look at SUVs today. Yeah, because we're looking to get rid of this, but we'll bring you along if that's the case. No police activity. Let's hope Jesse is around. Oh, okay. Yep, Jesse's there.
Maybe he's got the AC on. It's too freaking hot.
Yeah.
Okay. Should I wait or it'll be open if...
Yeah, you can go. I'll call you if I can't get in. Just junk. Nothing from Andrew. Alright, we're going to start over at the Volkswagen dealership looking at SUVs because we want to check out their big Touareg and see if they have any. Those are hard to come by. But we're going to look at that and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
First one we're looking at is the Volkswagen Atlas. Brand new to the line of Volkswagens.
There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Did this replace the Touareg?
No.
Oh, it's got a big sunroof on that one. So this one here is 42,365. It's for the 2018 Atlas, and it's about a 3-month wait period.
Is it SEL?
SEL.
Okay.
It's got the black leatherette.
Okay. I like the inside. I don't like this though. I like the other one. It was all flat. What do you call it? Like this.
Well, kind of the brushed nickel or. So this car has adaptive cruise control, so I can take my hand. Well, it's a couple different things. The steering assist, so I can take my hand off the steering wheel, so you know hands, but it guides me over. And it does that for about 30 seconds or so, and then it says take over. But right now I have the cruise control set, and it's following the truck 2 car lengths away. I can adjust the car lengths. It kind of shows you there. And look at the size of this screen. And it's all touch screen. Now this doesn't have nav, but with Apple Play you can hook up your phone and use the Apple Map, which is the image on that screen is just phenomenal. Well, you can see all the fingerprints in the camera though. But we came to look at the Touareg, so we're gonna take a quick peek.
The shape of that. God, see, that looks just neat.
That's Kim's new car. Yeah, so that car shopping has made us hungry. So we're stopping here at Firebirds, waiting for my folks to show up. Oh, we just got done at Firebirds, and now we've got to go get some dog food so that Mercedes can eat. So we're here at PetSmart. I know Kim's hoping that there will be some dogs there.
Oh my goodness.
It's like trying to get out.
Oh my goodness. Hey.
Look at that one trying to squeeze out. Car shopping is exhausting. We spent a good part of the day looking. We decided not to get a new car today, so we're going to wait for a little while. And we'll maybe revisit it in a couple months, get through the summer, and then do it. We just couldn't really agree on what we wanted, I guess. But anyway, Kim's doing laundry, and I'm about ready to get to bed. We've got Orange Theory tomorrow morning, and I think that's pretty much it for the day. It's Father's Day tomorrow. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. And we may go out to my folks for that. But I'm not exactly sure. Anyway, I'm tired, so I'm going to go to bed. We'll do this again tomorrow. Good night.